what's up y'all, I'm Charlie. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my delicious homemade vanilla pound cake from scratch. This recipe calls for about 20 or more individual servings of vanilla pound cake. Not only is this pound cake fluffy, moist, and full of vanilla flavor, but it is absolutely delicious. Now I do have other flavored pound cake recipes right here on YouTube. If you want to check them out, I'll have the video links in the description box. So without further ado, let's get started. Here is all what you will need to make your homemade vanilla pound cake. Let's get started with our ingredients. You will need some all-purpose flour, sugar, salt, baking powder, unsalted butter at room temperature, 5 large eggs at room temperature, heavy whipping cream at room temperature, sour cream at room temperature, evaporated milk at room temperature, and for your flavorings you will need some good quality vanilla extract and some butter extract. To bake your homemade vanilla pound cake, you will need some Baker's Joy non-stick baking spray and a 15 cup capacity Nordic Ware anniversary bundt pan. And there you have it. Let's get straight to it. In a medium-sized bowl, add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Sift all ingredients into a medium-sized bowl. Give this a quick stir. In a separate medium-sized bowl, add a 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream at room temperature, 1/3 cup of evaporated milk at room temperature, a 1/2 cup of sour cream at room temperature, 5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 2 teaspoons of butter extract. Using a whisk, stir all ingredients together until well combined. In our stand mixer with the paddle attachment, add 3 sticks of unsalted butter at room temperature and 3 cups of sugar. Start your mixer on a medium-low speed just to get that butter and sugar incorporated. Turn the mixer up to the highest setting. Mix this on high speed for 5 minutes. Now at some point during those 5 minutes, you're going to stop your mixer and scrape down the sides of your bowl. Continue mixing that in. Scrape down the sides of your bowl. Now we're going to add 5 large eggs in at room temperature, 1 at a time. Start your mixer on a medium speed and add 5 large eggs in, 1 at a time. Now once the first egg gets mixed in, you add the second one, then the third one, and so on. You want to be careful not to overmix this, okay? Scrape down the sides of your bowl. Add 1 cup of your all-purpose flour mixture and a 1/2 cup of your vanilla cream mixture. Mix on a medium-low speed until combined. Scrape down the sides of your bowl. Add 1 cup of your all-purpose flour mixture and a 1/2 cup of your vanilla cream mixture. Mix on a medium-low speed until combined. Scrape down the sides of your bowl. Add 1 cup of your all-purpose flour mixture and 1/3 cup of your vanilla cream mixture. Mix on a medium-low speed until combined. scrape down the sides of your bowl, and our vanilla pound cake batter is now ready. Spray your bundt pan with Baker's Joy non-stick baking spray and preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Add your prepared vanilla pound cake batter into your bundt pan. Using the back of a spoon, spread your pound cake batter around your bundt pan as evenly as possible. Now to make the batter more even, shake your pan slightly. Now it is ready to be baked. Place into a preheated 325 degree oven. Bake for 1 hour and 20 minutes. Remove your vanilla pound cake out of the oven after baking on 325 degrees for 1 hour and 20 minutes. Toothpick inserted into the pound cake should come out clean. Let the cake cool completely before flipping. I'll let my cake cool overnight, flip it over, and there we have it. Now let's make the glaze. In a small bowl, add 1 1/4 cups of confectioner's sugar, 3 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of warm whole milk, a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon of butter extract. Stir all ingredients together until that icing is creamy and smooth, like how you see here. Look at that. Now, you're going to pour your icing on top of your cake. Let the icing sit for 15 minutes before serving. Now, for the finale, I'm going to go ahead and cut you a slice. My oh my, look at how good that looks. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Homemade vanilla pound cake, made from scratch. If you like my channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell button if you want to be notified of my videos. You can also check out this recipe along with all of my other recipes at www.charliethecookandrews.com. You can also find me on Facebook and on Instagram under the name Charlie the Cook Andrews. Stay tuned as Charlie's Taste Test is coming up next. Now it's time to go ahead and take a bite. Oh man, look at this. Vanilla pound cake. That was pretty good. The cake is fluffy, moist, has a nice vanilla flavor in there. I added enough so it should taste like vanilla. Oh yeah. That icing, oh man. That icing, it just brings out everything. It's just something about the icing just make it taste so good, you know? I'm telling y'all, try the recipe. It's really good. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Until next time, take care, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.